Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Hi, this is Steve. I'm with Ezlo Innovations. We're at CES 2020. Some new products that we have on display here I'd like to show you. So first of all, we've got the new line of Ezlo hubs. The first one here is our Atom 32 hub. This is our lowest cost, most affordable entry point into smart home automation. With this, you can pair up to 30 ZWave devices on one network, easy to use app, all done from your mobile device, either iOS or Android. So with this hub, all you simply have to do is just plug it into an old cell phone charger, and you've got a home automation network that you can start playing with. Add light switches, door locks, sensors, and really just get your feet wet with home automation for a really low cost of $29.95 at retail. The next step up from that is our Plughub Energy. This is an all-in-one hub and endpoint device, so it's a 3-in-1 device. You've got your same Atom hub capability that you have here in a different form factor, so you just plug it directly into the wall. And it's a plug, so whatever you plug into it, you can control. Plug in a lamp module, a lamp. You can plug in a toaster oven. You can plug in a Christmas tree for Christmas, for example, and just automate that using the free app as well. The third capability it has is energy monitoring. So on the same device itself, on the app, whatever you have plugged into it, you've got the ability to see what the kilowatt usage is for that device. So over time, as it stores that data, you can see how much energy and what does it actually cost you in real time for that device that's plugged into it, for example, a lamp. So this is our Gen 2 water valve. It replaces our existing one that's been had a good run for many years. The big changes this year are it's a lot smaller, much smaller form factor. You can install this in smaller locations, inside closets, in the wall. It can go outside. It's IP68 rated. And the great thing about it is it comes apart. This actuator piece just clips on to the ball valve. This is a cut-in valve, so this will have to be plumbed in by a professional. And then once they're ready, they'll just leave it with a manual handle for you, right? So in the case of a new home or a remodel, you could just have the manual handle set on there, and then when you're ready to start automating, just pop that handle off, clip on our actuator, plug it into power, and you're ready to go. Another key benefit of this is the hub itself. So this could be, you don't need another Atom hub or another hub itself. This is the hub itself. So once you're powered up and running, you can start adding sensors directly to the valve itself. You can add other devices that you would also do with your Plughub devices. One nice thing about that is if you lose complete internet to the house, your Wi-Fi is down, all of that is down, this is still able to operate independently. So if a sensor still detects a leak, even though you might not have internet, it's still able to turn off the water directly, prevent the damage from happening, and when you do get internet restored, you'd get the notification to your phone, right? For more information, feel free to visit our website, getvera.com.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.